Hi, my name is Babatunde of Jaybliss Concept. I want to take you on video editing. Yeah, I will tell you all you need to do when you use the apps that you need to use on your phone. Video editing is like post-production when you do home videos. You know, after the recording in home videos, they take their job to the studio and started doing the cutting and the fixing and everything. That is what we're going to do with our apps today. All right. The major app we need is INSHOT, but we may need other apps depending on what we are going to do. Video Panda, it's very, very important. Video Panda compressor. It compresses your apps from larger file to lower file, but yet with same quality. So let's move on. INSHOT. On opening INSHOT, you see that it has video, photo, collage. Video, photo, collage. You can do all that, but what we really need is video. So let's click video. So because we are starting a new project and not an abandoned one or a saved one or a draft, we need to click new. So we'll click new. After clicking new, this is the videos that I have on my phone, but I have prepared a video specifically for this orientation. So this is the video. Then I'll click it. When you click it, it shows a sign and a cut sign, which means you can cut directly from here, but you don't need that. Just as you click it and it displayed that OK sign and cut sign, just click the green button down below and it will load the video. This loads very fast because this phone that I'm using has a 6 gig RAM and a 120 gig inbuilt, so it's very, 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 very fast. Your video might not be as fast as that. Your own phone might not be as fast as that, but it doesn't matter. It will equally do the job. So on opening it, you see the logos and the displays: trim, canvas, filter, music, stickers, text, speed, background, crop, freeze, rotate, flip. Those are all working, despite the fact that there are some paid features that you need to pay for on INSHOT. But INSHOT is a very good app, which even if you don't pay for it, it will give you what you really want, but with small hearts. Now, first thing first. The first thing to do is to trim, because if you have been using Plotagon, you will know that after each video you export from Plotagon, they will add their ad, a little ad at the end of it. So to understand what I'm saying, let us watch this video. I'll be right back.
Kyle, I am so glad you're here. I have been looking everywhere for you, and your phone line is not going through. Please, can you kindly help me with that animation guy's phone number?
Chantel, you mean you wish to connect with Jaybliss Concepts? No problem. You can get him on 08085485862. You either call him or send him texts on WhatsApp.
Thanks, Kyle. I know I can count on you.
Now, this is what I'm saying. Yeah, isn't that dope? That is an advert for myself. So I just want to use it for this project. Okay, look at what they wrote now. Created with Plotagon direct to you. This is what we want to remove by clicking trim. After clicking trim, it's just simple. You see trim, cut, and split. You can use cut, you can use split, you can use trim, but anyone that is easy for you to use. If you use cut, that means you cut it into two, cut away the small parts that you don't want, then make this one full. It's good. Alright? If you use split, that means you can just split it like this. Split that one, split the little one off, then close it. But it's easier to use trim. So just to trim it and make sure that the annoying stuff fades away. Then you need to watch it in order not to delete your own work with it and play. So this is dope. Then you click OK. So that's first thing is done. The next thing that I do, because if I am working on a project like this, I am branding it for myself. So the next thing I will do is this Plotagon logo that is at the top edge is annoying and it's disturbing my own business, because they place it there because this app Plotagon is not paid for. Even if it is, you can pay for it, which I have done before, and it gave me a lot of problem because the app is not in Nigeria. It's not available for users in Nigeria. So if you use it, Play Store will give you a lot of problem. That's why we have to go and download it from Aptoid, because I'm using Android. You understand? So it's not meant for people in Nigeria, but we are using it anyway. So if there is a way for me to pay for it, I would have done that because I love all the features, but there is no way now. So I need to cover this Plotagon with my logo. I have a logo that I use all the time. So if you want to use it, just click sticker. Look at all the stickers. You can easily use any of these stickers to cover, like this record. You can just choose it, make it okay, then use it to cover the Plotagon. Then it will display instead of the Plotagon logo. But if you don't want that, I have a logo that I use. So you just click the picture part here. This is the logo because I have been using it before, so it saved it. So if I had not been using it before, I will have to click add, then go through my pictures and find the picture that I really need to use. So you can actually use any other pictures too, but I prefer my logo, so I use the logo. I'll just click it, then shape it into the smaller stuff that I want it to be. Then take it up. It's as simple as that. Don't mind the fact that it will be obvious. You are the one that knows what you are protecting. They want to spoil your business, because when people start seeing Plotagon, it's easier for them to just guess that, okay, this is the app they are using, let me use it. But you want to make money now, so you won't want it everywhere. Now you see what I did just now. After putting that, you will want the sticker to stay on that Plotagon for the duration of the clip. So you will click this side, click video beginning, then click the other side and say clip end. The reason why you are clicking clip end instead of video end is because if you click video end, it will run through everything that we do, and we are still going to add animated text. So you won't want those logos to disturb your animated text. That's why you click clip end. So this is the clip that we are working on. So if you need to add any other text, just click OK, then you add other text. Like I'm branding it for myself, so let me say Jaybliss concepts. Then I can change the fonts to whatever I want, whatever fonts I want. But I think I like this blackout. Then change the color to like red. Jaybliss concepts. I think it's dope this way. Or black. Or maybe it should be downwards. Whatever you just like to do, you can do it. It's as smooth as that. Jaybliss concept, Then you press OK. Then here you do what I did the other time: video beginning, clip end. Now, okay, you can add another text. Add text, which is let's say my phone number 08085485862. Then you can change the font as usual, then change the color, let's say blue. Okay, come down, press OK. Then you can enlarge it if you want. Place it this. Lovely. Isn't that dope? Now, do what you do. You can do it you can even place like 100 tests. So you have to do that so that it can run through the program. Then add another test. For example, let's say do your animated adverts with us. As usual, change the font, then change the color. Say this. It's too ash. Red. Do your animated adverts with us. I think this is okay. And do the usual clip end. I think we are done with test. So with this, I think it's okay. It's very, very okay.
Kyle, I am so glad you're here. I have been looking everywhere for you, and your phone line is not going through. Please, can you kindly help me with that animation guy's phone number?
Chantel, you mean you wish to connect with Jaybliss Concepts? No problem. You can get him on 0808548.
Let's move on. The next thing to do right now is to know that you can speed up the video. Although it is not necessary for this advert, but I just want to show you. Just increase it, maybe from 1.0 to 1.1 or 1.1 to 1.2, and see what it will do.
Kyle, I am so glad you're here. I have been looking everywhere for you, and your phone line is not going through. Please, can you kindly help me with that animation guy's phone number?
Chantel, you mean you wish to connect with Jaybliss Concepts? No problem. You can get him on 08085485862. You either call him or send him texts on WhatsApp.
Thanks, Kyle. I know I can count on you.
Isn't it dope? Very, very dope. It's as easy as that. You can do other things. You can flip, you can rotate, you can feel free to do whatever you want to do. So it is a very, very, then filter, you can do filter, a lot can be done with this. So the next thing we're going to do now is to close the app and click draft so that it stays there. Then we'll go back to pick our animated test. From animated test, I know you have been taught, but I'm not sure I'm going to go through this animated test because I have some animated tests they have done. So I am just here to lecture on how to edit, not the animation test. So we'll go back to INSHOT. I'm sorry. Go back to INSHOT. Then you go back to your project that you are doing. Click add video and photo. Now I have made this one and this one, so you can click them. No matter how many you click, it will add them. So this is the two I want, so I'll just click the green button and it will add them at the back. You can see. So play it to know what you have added. That is animated test. I don't know why this is. Now you can see that I don't know why this is still displaying on myself. So, but it's very, very easy. It's just click it and drag it back. You can encounter a lot of issues. You just be smart enough to just settle them. These are the tests. Thank God it's not much. So let's play it. You see, it's as dope as that. Now this looks so dry because of the way it's just displaying. We need music, isn't it? So let's add music. Music, click tracks, featured track, effects, then my music. Because I want to add a track, you understand? So I will add, let me add Reason With Me, because it's advert, you know. If you don't Reason With Me now, I will need use. You click use. Now I don't need much, so I need to edit the music, isn't it? I need to edit the music. I don't want you to start from the beginning. So lower the volume.
If I don't get that days, I've been the beg you to try with me. If I reason with me, back in the days, I've been the beg you to try. Reason with to try. In the days, I've been the beg you to try. Reason with this, I've been the beg you to try. Reason with me. If I don't get this, I've been the beg you to try. Reason with me. If I don't get today,
I think that should be okay.
On you.
I've been the beg you to try. Reason with me. If I don't get today, I go get them tomorrow. I be you one make a die. You know?
This is dope. So they should reason with me and give me adverts so that I can. If you know day today, go day tomorrow. You know. So I think we are done to some extent. Yes. So the next thing to do right now is to remove this INSHOT. This INSHOT there will make people know that you edited this with INSHOT. So it's easy to remove without even paying for it. You just click on, you don't want it, then click free remove. Because I have data, it will play a video and remove it for just once right now. Then the next video I'm going to do, I will still have to remove it this way. So with that, it is very, very easy. It has done it. So no INSHOT again. So after that, the next thing to do is to save. Click save, then click the last option, 640p. You can click the biggest one, but the bigger, the larger the text. Maybe we should click that, so it make it very, very okay. Let's see, it's converting 20, 30, 45, 58, 70, 80, almost done. Done. Now click home. Then you go to Panda for the final stuff. After opening Panda, click your video, then press next. Now Panda will ask you whether you want small file or one medium file or you want large file. Large file, I choose large file because it will still remain the same rate and the same you understand, the same resolution, but yet they will compress it to the minimum. You can see now the original file is 39 megabytes. Let's see what will happen now. Brother Panda is sucking it. Panda father is doing all the sucking, doing all the magic. If you are a lady, don't go and submit to this panda. This panda is wicked. Doing all the squashing and squishing. Oh my God, compressing it to the